This time I'll be on my board. If it plays my cross the line, please do not do so. And the train will be a shorty. My guests who didn't make a board this train, please remain behind the yellow line. My guests on board condition was already supported. And driver, you're good.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the train moves, and supervise your journey.
Para que seguros, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the train. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Good morning, folks. Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to the Disneyland Resort. For your enjoyment today, Disneyland will remain open until midnight. Disney California Adventure will remain open until 11 p.m. Last train away tonight will be at 1 a.m. And driver, you are clear.
Yes, and I am at Disneyland Park and I'm on the Mickey and Friends Adventure Tram to Disneyland Park. So we
As this tram is approaching its one and only destination, please remain seated with doors closed to reach a full complete stop. And I have indicated safety to exit on the driver's left-hand side and the driver's left-hand side only. So again, please remain seated with the doors closed to reach a full complete stop.
guys that they had Christmas decorations. It's awesome.
Almost there, please wait.